In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Lucidchart as a PDF, a useful technique for anyone looking to easily share their diagrams in a portable and widely accessible format. Let's get started with our first step, which is to head over to the Lucid website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in lucid.co, or you can use the Lucid homepage to quickly access their platform. Once you're on the website, the next thing you'll need to do is log into your account. Look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be presented with several sign-in options. For simplicity, let's go ahead and click on Sign Up with Google. This step allows you to quickly access your account using your Google credentials, making the process both secure and speedy. Now that you're logged into your Lucidchart account, it's time to access the document you want to save as a PDF. Navigate to your document dashboard and click on Open to bring up the chart or diagram that you're ready to convert. With your document open and ready to go, we can move on to exporting it. Find and click on the File menu. This is typically located at the top of the page. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you several options. From here, you will need to select PDF under the Export section. This will initiate the process of converting your Lucidchart document into a PDF file. At this point, you're given an option that's useful for customizing your PDF output, the Crop to Content feature. By choosing this, you can ensure that your PDF is neatly trimmed to focus exclusively on the content of your chart, eliminating unnecessary white space and giving it a more professional appearance. Select this to ensure your format is as desired. Lastly, it's time to complete the process by downloading your PDF. Simply find and click on the Download button. Depending on your browser and settings, the file should automatically start downloading to your default download location, or you may be prompted to choose a specific destination for your PDF. And there you have it. With these steps, you can now easily save and share your Lucidchart diagrams in a PDF format, suitable for printing, emailing, or embedding within reports. Thanks for joining and happy charting.